Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy A37 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with finding and opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find General Management. Then let's scroll and find Reset. And here in this reset section, we've got two options that are connected with the network preferences. So we've got mobile network settings and separately Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Basically, the whole idea of resetting both is the same. So just tap on it, tap on reset settings. We need to confirm everything with our screen lock. Here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone, and depending on your network's required settings, you might not be able to connect to your mobile network anymore, so be aware about that and check it before you will actually reset mobile network settings. Tap on reset, and as you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. And the same situation here, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Just tap on it. It is less serious. So here we've got only the information that this cannot be undone. We do not really need to confirm anything with the screen lock. All right, so this is how it works. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.